Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to download and install Python latest version 3.11.1 in your Windows 11 operating system. So let's start my video. Before installing Python, we must be to download Python latest version. So here I am first tell you how to download Python. So I am using here Chrome browser for downloading this file. You can use any browser. In the search bar, type Python download and search it. After searching, several websites will be open. Now just click on the first website. Here you can see the download button, download Python 3.11.1. Just click on it. Your download will be started. You can see here my download will be completed. So let's go to our download folder and see the installation process. So you can see here our download will be completed. Just double click on this file and run this file. Here you can see add python.exe to path. Click on it. After that you just click on the install now and wait some time for installing. So you can see here our installation will be started. Just wait some time. So our installation will be completed. Just click on the close button to close this file. And now I am telling you how to run Python programming. So in the Windows search bar, simple type IDLE and open it. IDLE is the free version of Python IDE. Now in this IDE, simple type print hello and press the enter button. Oh sorry, print hello and press the enter button. You can see here our output will be visible. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more notification and share with your friends. Thank you.